Hi friends, and welcome to your mid-challenge meditation to practice inner strength. Today we'll use the power of breathwork, self-massage, and meditation to rejuvenate, calm our nervous system, and set us up for a successful rest of the Sun Salutation Challenge. Before we get started, I wanted to say a quick thank you to SKILLSHARE for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Most of you have heard me talk about SKILLSHARE, but in case you are new here, SKILLSHARE is a really fun learning community packed with courses to enhance your overall knowledge on any given topic, ranging from all different types of topics. So from graphic design to international cooking, self-care, wellness, you name it, it's likely there. For example, we're getting ready to meditate together, but prior to this, I was actually watching Nilu Naderi's class on meditation, why it matters, and how to get started. I love that she talks about the real scientific benefits of meditation and how it so positively affects the mind and body. She has 9 lessons in her course, all super easy to understand and quite fascinating if you ask me. If you want to enjoy this class along with me, just know that the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box will get a 1-month free trial of SKILLSHARE. So definitely pop open the description box, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Now let's get to our us time. If you have a favorite calming essential oil or body oil, you can go ahead and grab it now and place it nearby. If not, no worries, you can still do this with the natural oils on your skin. As you continue working through the Sun Salutation Challenge, I truly believe that you have the strength for it, and I'm here to support you in it. So let's ground in. Making your way to a comfortable seated position, and then taking a little bit of the oil to your trapezius muscle, your left shoulder, and just massaging there for a moment. Kind of giving a little tug into the upper shoulder, massaging and releasing any tension from the day. And then we'll take it to the other side. So a little self-massage on the right shoulder. Remembering to just breathe here and fully relax. And then I like to move to my palms, hands, fingers. I love massaging my hands and my wrists, especially since we spend so much time on them in yoga, especially during this particular challenge. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I just take a little bit of oil, and I like to really use the knuckle of my thumb. And whenever you're ready, you can always move to the next hand, of course. Know that this is very organic. It's whatever feels good to you. And of course, you can stay on your palms, but if you'd like, or if you feel comfortable, I love taking a moment to massage into the soles of my feet and my toes. This is something I do very often, typically when I get out of the shower or when I'm in the tub. It's so relaxing, and it's an often skipped over part of the body. I'm not so sure why, but I never forget. It's really nice to get into the arches and in between your toes. And you can feel free to continue if this feels good, or you can begin to close the eyes down and place one palm on your chest, the other on your belly. As we take a few breaths within this moment, just to slow down the breath, grounding down into this space, breathing deep into the belly, and then letting out an audible sigh. Reaching the spine tall, drawing in another full breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Noticing as your face softens, your shoulders soften, your palms, your hips, soles of the feet. This time drawing in a breath and holding it at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, sighing it out. Exploring more ways to relax further, softening, arriving. And just watching the breath flow in and out, observing the coolness of each inhale and the warmth of each exhale. And moving into some grounding breath work here. We'll just do a little bit of box breath, so equal ratio breathing, inhaling for a count of 4, holding for a count of 4, exhaling for a count of 4, and then holding at the bottom for a count of 4. So as we breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1, holding for 4, 3, 2, 1, releasing for 4, 3, 2, 1, holding at the bottom for 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold for 4, 3, 2, 1, release for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold at the bottom for 4, 3, 2, 1, again inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold at the top for 4, 3, 2, 1, release for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold for 4, 3, 2, 1, last round, inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold for 4, 3, 2, 1, release for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold at the bottom for 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You can release fully here as you come back to your normal breath. Remembering with each inhale, your inner strength expanding, and with each exhale, releasing the need for perfection or performance. Inhaling with intentionality and purpose, and exhaling with just the same. We'll end with affirmations of truth. You can repeat these out loud or internally. I am powerful. I am worthy of a strong, healthy body. I am in control of my movement. I feel energized. I'm excited about life. My body will achieve what my mind believes. And I will finish this because I know I can, and I believe in myself to do it. A deep breath in, and a full exhale out. A few more moments to just rest here. Absorbing the last final moments of our time together. When you're ready, you can slowly blink the eyes open, and feel free to revisit this as many times as you need to during the challenge, or even after if you like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.